brr. I'm up in the mountains and it's surprising how chilly it is this morning. Good morning, everyone. This is a video response to Dazzle Rebel Rides video challenge where he did a video and talked about the characters from the Spinal Tap movie and what bikes he was thinking they would be riding if they were riding a motorcycle. It was quite a great video. I enjoyed the extra video footage from the movie in there because I've never seen it. I don't watch TV and I don't watch movies. I just haven't for a long time. It doesn't appeal to me like it used to. But when I did watch movies, one of my favorite movies was Young Frankenstein. I mean, who doesn't like a Gene Wilder movie? I wasn't thinking about Gene Wilder on a bike, but I was thinking of his co-star, one of his co-stars, Terry Garr. She was great, wasn't she? Where she's like, would you like a roll in the hay? Roll, 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 roll. She was great. Anyway, I can just see her on a black, sexy Ducati Scrambler. This road sucks. Every year they got to do construction because of how it gets torn up with the weather conditions. Yeah, I can see her on a black Ducati Scrambler. Can't you? She would look awesome on that. It just seems like it would fit her personality. One of the other movies that I really, really, really like was Braveheart. And I could just see, what better movie to relate to motorcycle riding because of, you know, you talk about the freedom of being on a bike, freedom rider. I can see him on an Africa Twin. I mean, isn't that the way you would imagine that character, not Mel Gibson himself, but his character he played on an Africa Twin? It's all about exploring and adventure and freedom on that bike. I can just see him back in the day where he's standing on the pegs going, freedom! I just can't see him on anything else. The Africa Twin just seems to fit his personality. And one of his co-stars, the girl who played the Queen, Sophie Marceau, the French chick. What a great actress she is. That one scene where she's standing behind the king and she's whispering in his ear and she says, you see, death comes to us all. But before it comes to you, know this, a child that is not of your line grows in my belly, and he shall sit on the throne, I swear it. Of course, I can't do the accent, but yeah, she was awesome. And I can see her on a white Triumph Speed Triple. Yeah? That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, what an awesome bike, and great video, Dazzle Rebel. I enjoyed it. Looking forward to seeing some of the other responses, specifically Old Man Tony and Woman Wolf Rider, because they always have such awesome videos. On a different topic, we are planning and prepping for a trip to southern Utah in about a month. And if anybody is going to be in the area mid-September, shoot me a private message and maybe we can meet. We are going to have a base camp in Comm and do a bunch of day trips to all the cool places, national parks and national monuments close by, like Zion, right? Who does not love Zion? What an awesome place. Bryce Canyon, Escalante, Canyonlands maybe. Oh, and let's not forget, we're going to go check out the north rim of the Grand Canyon. I have never been there and I've always wanted to go there, so we're going to go check that out. I just finished watching some videos from AZ Desert Dog, who was just there camping recently. What a beautiful spot, and the views that he had. I enjoy his fireside chats where he, talks about his experiences going up there. really looking forward to that. We're going to be there about 10 days, so if you're going to be around, let me know. Another topic, I am seriously thinking about putting a chin mount on here for my GoPro 7. I do not think this Sena, the camera quality is just not there. And it's not really meant to be a, high-end camera like the GoPro. It's, it's a great communicator. The battery seems to last a really long time, but it's intermittent because sometimes it'll beep at me. I don't know what that means. Like, if you haven't even used it that long, it's like beep, just one single beep, beep. I don't know what that means. If anybody knows, let me know. So yeah, my brother mentioned that the video quality of this is just not there. He said it looks almost blurry, and maybe it's because I hadn't cleaned it. I don't know, but it obviously does not have great stabilization, and it's just not that great. Love it as a communicator, don't like it at all as a camera, an action camera. Love the GoPro, so I'm thinking I might put it here on the chin, which I never thought I would do, but the quality is so nice and so awesome. I might give that a try. Anyway, that's all I have to say for now. I'm just rambling at this point. I'm enjoying this mountain ride. It is such a beautiful morning, Sunday morning. I'm wandering. I don't even have a place in mind. I'm just wandering. There's nobody else on the road, hardly at all. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Dazzle Rebel Rides. If you haven't subscribed to him, you should. And go check out his Instagram channel where he posts awesome pictures of some Indian bikes and other bikes. And thanks for watching. Ride safe. Bye.